said line number 2. We're in it.
At this time, we ask everyone please remain fully seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs fully inside the train car while we are in motion. Parents and guardians, please keep an eye on small children as they continue to be fully seated, either on the left window or all the way inside the train car, away from the center opening. Our next stop is going to be...
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. A trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember,
Please keep your hands inside the train, please.
keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square. This station also serves Frontierland and Bayou Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated. The train will stop. And watch your step as you turn on. For those of you who continue along with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station. New Orleans Square.
We're now arriving at New Orleans Square Station. Please remain fully seated.
Well, there's a lot of people.